Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to try some Bantu knots on my locks, and this is 4 days after I did my retwist. Here are the items I'll be using: some clips and some rubber bands. So I started off by sectioning off my hair and trying to decide how thick I wanted these Bantu knots to be. Once I decided the size that I wanted, which was gathering about 4 to 8 locks together, at first I decided to just twist the locks together and wrap them around each other to form the Bantu knot. I didn't like the overall look that it gave me, so I decided that I was going to start two-strand twisting all of the locks together and then start to wrap them around each other to form the Bantu knot. And it just held the knot better and gave me a better overall look to the Bantu knot. Now, since my locks are short, I found that a lot of them were trying to stick out at the end. So on some of them, I had to add more than one rubber band. And still, some of them are sticking out. So you could opt to add bobby pins or hairpins to help hold those locks down into place if you have short locks like me. But I just decided to use the rubber bands. So I'm just continuing to two-strand twist all the locks together and wrap them around to form the Bantu knot. I also decided to leave out 2 locks on the side of my head in the front. And I also left out one of my longest locks, which is the one in the back with the cowrie shell. I decided to add some beads to the 2 locks that I had hanging out on the sides, and then I decided to add some of this gold hair thread to 3 of my Bantu knots in the middle of my head. And here is the final look. I absolutely love this style. I think it came out so cute. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.